What's up, guys? Dave here, TMG. Today I'm working on a 2018 Ford Escape. This is going to be similar for all the other Ford models that have the electronic rear parking brake. So I think this started in 2017. This is a 2018. And in order to work on the rear brakes, you have to put the calipers in emergency brake maintenance mode. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this vehicle has the electronic parking brake. This is the switch. In order to put it into service mode, you're going to start with the key off. You're going to put the accelerator to the floor. You're going to hold this switch down, and then you're going to cycle the key on, off, on, and then it'll come up here on the dash. All right, so you definitely need two hands to do this. Again, accelerator completely down, hold it the entire time. Parking brake button down, key on. Key off, key on. Park brake maintenance mode. Okay, you can turn the key off, get out, service the brakes. When you're completed, you're going to put the key back in, and opposite of last time, you're going to still hold the brake, but you're going to pull this up, and that's going to put it back into emergency parking brake mode. So this isn't service mode or maintenance mode. This will pull it out of maintenance mode. Here we go. Right, foot to the floor on the gas, parking brake switch up, key on. Key off, key on. And you could hear the parking brake work. What you're going to do, parking brake light is on. We're going to turn it off. There we go. And now we can turn it back on. Cycles it on. And off, and now it's functioning again. All right, guys, and then once you're all done with the parking brake maintenance mode, once you get it into maintenance mode, you get the wheels off and you get the calipers loose. The pistons on those actually just push in, okay? They do not need to be twisted. You can use a big clamp. You can use my brake caliper tool that you spin. Any of that stuff works. You just push it straight in. And what I mean by that tool, by the way, not for the twisted calipers, this one. So just put it on, push it back in. When you're done with the job, both left and right side, you go back in there, you turn that back off of service mode or maintenance mode, and then test drive your vehicle. I hope this helps, guys. Take care.